In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Bluehost email to Gmail. By the end, your Bluehost inbox will flow right into Gmail so you can check everything in one place, securely and neatly organized. Start by opening Gmail in your web browser and signing in. In the top right, click the settings gear, then select See All Settings to open the full preferences. From there, go to the Accounts and Import tab. This is where Gmail lets you bring in mail from other providers. Find the section called Check Mail from Other Accounts and click Add a Mail Account. A small window will open. Type your full Bluehost email address exactly as it was created, then click Next. On the next screen, choose Import Emails from my other account, PLP3, and click Next again. This tells Gmail you want to fetch messages from your Bluehost mailbox rather than forward them. Now enter the password for that Bluehost email account. Below the password field, you'll see several important options. Select. Leave a copy of retrieved messages on the server if you want a copy to remain available in your Bluehost webmail. This is a good safeguard and makes it easy to access your messages outside Gmail if you ever need to. Be sure to check Always Use a Secure Connection, SSL, when retrieving mail. SSL encrypts the connection so your login and emails are protected in transit. If you see a port field, confirm it matches the secure POP3 port. With SSL, POP3 typically uses 995. Gmail often fills this in for you, but it's worth a quick look. Next, use Label Incoming Messages to pick or create a label. This makes it obvious which emails came from the Bluehost address and helps with filtering and organization. If you prefer to keep these messages out of your main inbox, you can also turn on Archive Incoming Messages. Skip the inbox. They'll still arrive in Gmail, but under the label you chose rather than cluttering your primary feed. When everything looks right, click Add Account to finish. Gmail will start fetching your emails in the background. The first sync can take a few minutes, especially if there are many messages. You can check progress and make changes anytime by returning to Settings, then Accounts and Import. If you encounter an error, double-check the email address and password, confirm SSL is selected, and ensure the port matches your secure setting. Once connected, your Bluehost mail will appear in Gmail just like any other conversation, complete with your chosen label and the security of an encrypted connection. That's it, your Bluehost inbox is now seamlessly connected to Gmail.